Ето го, бе. Брат, гледай само за коста просто. Майко, гледай. Ото той валежи някакви. Това ли, брат? Гледай, ко се вижда. Само мъглата като вали. Даже дърветата не се виждат. Ето ги дърветата. Да се видят къде са. Ето дървото. Ето го. Ето ги дърветата. Колко е приятно. It's wonderful. I can speak in English as well. Look at this. I didn't make a videos a long time, but now I'm walking, do my usual walk in a forest, and you can see this. Beautiful. Amazing. I can see the fox raining. Look at that. Can you see my bottle? Yeah, you can see. And it's a forest, deep forest all around me, you know? Look at this. I don't know if you can see the asphalt road or not. Yeah, look at this. And I'm going straight, right straight. Beautiful. This is what I can say, relaxing one. Relaxing one. And you can see how beautiful Bulgaria is. You can walk about 9 o'clock in the night in a place like this in the forest and just relax. Look at this. I'm just relax. Look at that. Again, showing the trees so we know where we are, and then we go in a deep forest. Love you. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.